You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.
Hey guys, it's Sandy and JJ, and today we're making squishy balls! You might not know what squishy balls are, but I love using them after dance to help me relax. In order to make a squishy ball, you need, and most importantly, the glitter dots! I'm going to be using the glitter dots bold colors! I'm going to be using the glitter dots tropical colors! You're going to open it up and put your favorite glitter dots in there. Well, I guess the last thing you do is squish! Wow, this is so satisfying. Whoa! Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye!
You can find glitter dots in the Crayola aisle at your local store.